The VASAGLE Entryway Storage Bench combines imitation leather upholstery, rustic brown engineered wood, and a matte black metal frame to create a stylish and durable piece for any space. Underneath its comfortable padded seat, this bench features a spacious compartment perfect for storing blankets, pillows, or books, with a safety hinge to keep the lid in place. This versatile bench can be used in various settings, whether as a shoe storage solution in the hallway, a seating option in the living room, or a charming bed-end stool in the bedroom. Designed for easy assembly, this storage ottoman comes with clear instructions and all necessary tools, making it a hassle-free addition to your home. Part of the Copédion collection by VASAGLE, this well-padded bench not only offers functionality, but it also adds a touch of elegance to any room. Supporting up to 198 pounds, this bench is both practical and stylish, designed to elevate the look and feel of your home.